If you're looking for a nice combo, camera bag, mini tripod, and a headball, stay tuned. Okay, this is Jose Velez from JV Creazion Tech, and today I have this nice combo that we're gonna check. 3 pieces. Let's see. So now let's check what we have in this amazing combo. Why I say amazing? Because I have been looking for a bag that I can carry with my camera and what I need, and a tripod that have multiple use. So let's take a look. I have more bag, but this one is too big, so if I want to go outside with my camera with 3 lenses, something, walking in the park, this is too bulky for me. And this one, just for the camera, maybe something else, too small for me. So let's take a look at the Bag Lowepro, and has a nice strap. Here we have the first pocket with 2 compartments. Then I can put 2 batteries. Here is my camera, T5I, which is with a length 10 to 18. Sometimes I use the older length. There's a little bigger, 18 to 135. So here you have and this thing you can take it apart, and I fit my camera with 1, 2, 3 lenses, 10 to 18, a 24 pancake, a 50, and I just put the camera. There you go. Oh, I forgot the other lens. And I can put my charger. Here you can, another zipper here that you can put some memory, and have 2 pockets over here that I can put my mini tripod. Or I can put it over here. With this, protect the camera, and I have what I need inside. So this I really recommend it for all my bags. This is my best to go outside and have whatever I need inside. Not going too crazy with this. Okay, so let's go to the Joby, the mini tripod that you can put it in most every situation, and it's very sturdy and secure. And what I like is that comes with the mini ball here, the ball head, that you can move this thing and you lock that in place, and it's very secure. And then you have the quick release, so you don't have to keep screwing that thing on and off. And you have here the 90-degree to put it down here, up, whatever you need to do. So let's do some example here. Pretty neat. And then you have the ball here to switch around. Do another example. This is my second best mini tripod. My first mini tripod is the Altura, because it's so small that I can fit anywhere. This one is not too small, so I cannot fit that anywhere. But this one has his use because I can put it everywhere. So let's go and see. I can move this thing around, lock it in place. Let's bring the camera. This is heavy. Perfect. Wow. I can move the ball head here, so in the direction I need. And there you go. Let's try another place. Okay, there you go. And then you can move here to whatever angle you need. Ta-da! Okay, so here we're in the computer. You have the bag, the Joby, and the headband. And the package, you know, the combo is not bad for this price, almost $40 or sometimes less. If you're gonna be buying just the Joby apart, sometimes it's more expensive than the combo. So check out for those combo. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. In conclusion, I love this product. I've been using this bag for most everything because I can fit my big DSLR camera with big lenses. And the Joby, I can use it for many situations and also for vlogging. So goodbye all around, and it had the headboard. So just the headboard sometimes $20, and the Joby is sometimes more than $30. So with the combination, $40 for everything. Goodbye. All the links will be down below. As always, you support the channel. You win, I win. It's a win-win. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful, and see you next time. Bye.